How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram stories music not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi and make sure you are on good connection. You can also use your mobile data if you want. Now what we'll do after that is make sure that the music feature is available in your region. If it's not, just update the app. You can update it from your Google Play Store or App Store. After that, if the music is still not available, we'll just head over to our settings, go to apps. From apps, tap on see all apps, then search for Instagram. Then from here, head over to storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Sometimes temporary glitches and temporary corrupted files may cause a hindrance when you're trying to add music. So clear out your cache, and after you've done that, also make sure that your device has enough storage for your app. After that, your problem should be fixed, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.